welcome back to my channel. So this is a getting ready with me for anime convention. I don't have makeup yet, but I'm wearing pink circle lens because I need contacts to see, and my costume is pink, so I think it will match. So in this video I will share how I do my makeup, hair, and costume. Start the makeup first. So the first thing is foundation, the SkinFood Peach BB cream. Smells really good. I also use L'Oreal foundation. So I usually focus on applying foundation on this part, and I will use the remaining foundation on my cheeks. I don't need to apply foundation on this part of my skin because this part of skin is very good. I don't need foundation. It's very soft, smooth, and the color is also very nice. I usually don't apply foundation on my forehead because I have bangs. Because this is for convention, so I will also put some foundation on my forehead. The skin of my forehead is very dry and oily at the same time. So my forehead skin is drier than my skin down below. Sometimes I can see the dry skin fall off. And the color of my forehead also darker than the rest of area. My cheeks is very fair, but the T-zone is darker. My skin tone is not even. So I need a little bit foundation even out my skin tone. I usually don't have pimples. Only some special days, maybe 1 or 2. I had pimples when I was teenagers, but after like 18 or 19, my pimples just got less and less, and eventually when you get older you just don't have pimples anymore. And next I will use the SkinFood Peach Pore Pact. So those two are matches. Actually, I don't know how good the coverage is because I don't have pimples to cover, but the smell is very pleasant. It's peach smell. It makes my skin smoother and lighter, just to even out the skin tone. I like any makeup that has fruit scent. It's very pleasant when you use it. And next I'll put some blush. So I'm using this color, just a little bit. My skin has been really good recently, very smooth and no small pimples. But the skin on my forehead is very dry and oily. I'm using Etude Eyebrow Pencil, and this one is color brown. I like color brown than black. I just feel natural. So that's one eyebrow. My eyebrow is very thin. This is my favorite eyebrow pencil because it's easy to draw and I like the color, but it doesn't last. The color will fade away in a couple hours. Is any better eyebrow pencil do you recommend? I'm using Etude Cherry Blossom. I almost like all colors in this palette. Pink tone colors are my favorite. The color looks very natural and it lasts pretty long. I'm a fan of Etude House makeup and SkinFood skincare products. First layer, sparkling nude, apply on the whole eyelid. You can use this to curl your bangs, and it's also help when you do makeup. Grab your bangs. So this way is easy for you to put on makeup, to draw eyebrow. This color, the first one, just the entire eyelid. Next I will use the night pink. Use the darker pink to apply the end of my eyelids. And then I will use color brown, apply around here. It's like a triangle. And then I will draw a tear bag. I already have a little bit tear bag when I smile. I already have it when I smile, but I will make it more obvious. I will use the white eye pencil, and this one is off-brand. I got it at Daiso for only 1.50. and then I will make it more natural. So I'll apply the color gold sparkling on it. Gold. So it's tear back. This way to make your eyes bigger. Asian makeup is to make you look younger and more innocent and cuter. If you like cute and Asian fashion, you would like this makeup. And then I will apply eyeliner. The eyeliner I'm using is L'Oreal eyeliner, but I want to try other brand eyeliner because this one is actually not easy to draw. This brush is not easy to draw. And next I'll apply fake lashes. You probably want to ask why I don't apply mascara, because I tried a lot of mascara, but every time when I apply mascara, my lashes will look like mosquito necks and it's just very nasty. And also after a few hours the mascara will get on my eyeshadow and around my eyes. It just makes the eye makeup look dirty, so that's why I don't like to apply mascara. And my lashes is very short, so there is no point to apply mascara because it'll still look short. I wear fake lashes. Ta-da! See the differences? Oh, this one looks super big. Wow, super big eyes. I really love this eyelash glue because my eyelids is allergic to other glue, but this one with aloe I have no allergic to this one. And also the glue is strong, it won't fall off during the day. I'm using off-brand lashes, but it works perfect. It's very light and it's very comfortable to wear. Finger pen. The color is rose pink. So this is my full makeup, and next I will move on my hair. I will curl my hair because I just feel it's cuter to have wavy hair and to go with the cat-made costume. I look very different when my hair looks like this, right? Hairstyle and makeup really can change a person's look. I showed my husband this look and he was like, wow, he really loves this look. I can be a lot of different styles. It just depends on my mood. Sometimes I like to be cute, sometimes I like to look different, and sometimes I like to look like a Chinese fairy. It just depends on my mood. I like to try different styles. My look will change after I pull down my bangs. I think it must be very curly. All of a sudden my look just changed. So this is a natural way to curl your bangs while my hair is very straight. All of a sudden I don't want to curl it anymore, but I need to curl my hair to match the costume. I use straightener to curl my hair. I will start the curl from here, not from the top. My hair is not thick. I will curl layer by layer. I like this kind of curl. It's natural. I only curl the lower part of my hair. Then I will tie pigtails. So my hair looks fuller with curly hair. I think I need to curl my band. I really wish my side bands longer, but I'm still waiting for it to grow. Two pigtails. It will look cuter if my hair is pink. better or this way is better? I think this way is better. Let's move on the costume and hair accessories. Ta-da! This is my maid costume! Wow, this dress fits me perfectly. It's very tight around here. Yes, I will be a cat. Ta-da! I finally got the cage petticoats. This one is super useful than the normal petticoats. To really shape your dress bell-shaped. Especially for the Lolita dresses, this one works really good. And let me try if this one works on the dress, the maid dress. Look, I think it's a bit too long for this dress. No, that's what doesn't work for this dress. I think I'll just wear normal petticoats. Yeah, this one works fine. Well, that's the costume part, and next I'll move on the accessories. Accessories. Here's the cat hairband and wrist. Very cute. Look, it's kind of big, but I think it works. And then tails and choker. I also got paws. I will click the tail on my dress here. So this is the full costume for cat, and I also have other costumes and outfits I'm going to show you guys later. So for the socks part, I can wear size or I can wear the short ruffle socks. I will try which one looks better. Do you want me to wear socks or size? So this is my cat maid costume that I will wear it at my food panel. So I will wear this costume to make you guys food. If you come to meet me, and I will serve you food. I'm thinking about making mapo tofu.